All right, guys, we're gonna draw a super cute, easy pencil drawing today. So we're gonna draw this really long line. Then we're gonna draw this other really long line until we have two equally sized parallel lines. When we're done drawing our lines, we are going to connect them. So we're gonna go to the bottom, draw a slightly curved line until the two lines are connected. And then we're gonna draw a couple other lines. So we're gonna go a little bit up, draw another curved line, and then draw another curved line. We're almost halfway done drawing this already. I know, this is so easy. Then we're gonna draw this diagonal line, this diagonal line until they come to a point. Then we're gonna add another line and color it in. That's gonna be the tip of the pencil. And then for some more detail, we're gonna add these zigzag lines. Now the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a really cute little face to our pencil. So we're gonna draw a circle, and we're gonna draw another circle. Then we're gonna draw kind of like a sideways D for the mouth. Then we're gonna draw another circle, another circle, and then we're gonna color in the eyes. Color in the eyes. Isn't the face looking so cute? So we got that. Then we just need to finish the mouth really fast. We're gonna add a line for the tongue, and then we're done with the drawing. All you gotta do is color it now. You can color the eraser, color the middle part of the pencil, the yellow part of the pencil, and then the part where it's sharpened.